beauties, my name is Dlamini and welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, you're so very welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. Welcome to a weekend reset video. I am cleaning today. My cousin's gonna come, I think it's next week. So I just wanted to clean out the spare bedroom and just clear out. I also want to wash these windows, but we're gonna see if we have the energy for it, and also go to gym and also watch the rugby game and so I'm gonna have myself something to eat. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Watch till the end and make sure that you are subscribed, and let's have a wonderful weekend. I got these beautiful flowers. Let me show you guys these beautiful flowers. So I'm also going to be putting those in water, and I'm also wearing my new gym set from Shein. Love it. Definitely going to get more. So we're gonna test it out today at the gym and see like how does it handle sweat. That's the one thing I really don't like about colored gym sets, is how much it shows when you're sweating. But let's see. Guys, I'm so hungry. Oh, we've got another one. I'm so hungry. I'm putting some food in the air fryer, some chicken, and I am exhausted because I haven't sat down since I woke up. I am so tired. I literally just want to rot right now. So I'm gonna make myself a smoothie and try and find something to watch. But yeah. So this is the fit for the braai or the game watching situation. These are a little croppy, big croppy, but I'm not too mad. I just need black shoes, black sneakers, clearly. But yeah, we like the back. The back has drama, which means I need to work on my back now. Back exercises. Hey guys, so I am trying to do a little bit of organization. I want to start on the far ends. So there's clothes on this side, and then there's bags and cosmetics on this side. So I want to sort out the situation. I started with my jewelry corner, but I just want to lay out my bags properly. Some of my bags are stuffed in another big bag, and I just haven't sorted it out since I moved. So that is the idea for today, just to get some order and sort my life out. In one of the bags, like the hair is so good, it's just the lace that's really bad. I'm gonna have to replace it, and I think because I've always been complaining about not having a glueless wig, I'm gonna turn this into a glueless wig. Like the hair is still so healthy. Barbiana. Okay, let me invest in a good closure. I'll dye it black. I like black hair. Or maybe have it be another, like blondish, I don't know. Let me think about it, because I always have the same hair texture. Ooh, this is so nice. Okay, you know what? Let me do that. Let me make that my next project. This would be my December hair. Okay, oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Was this sand hair, or was it I think it was eThekwini, the Chanamore, when they were selling hair. Oh, love it so much. Okay, this is my next project. I'm gonna wash this and find a good closure. Yeah, you definitely. Okay. Ooh. PJs, so cute, and it matches with my band. So I thought, let me have a cute night. I'm very tired. It was a long weekend, long night into the morning, so I really need to sleep early today, and early is like 9 o'clock. I'm hoping I can do that. So I'm gonna try and find something to watch, eat something light, maybe even like yogurt, maybe breakfast for supper. That's just me. But I'm also going to close out the video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you for your support, and I hope you enjoyed this weekend vlog, starting with my organization. We're going to get there. We're going to get there bit by bit. But thank you again. I will see you in my next video. Bye.